Welcome, everyone. Have you ever wondered how to remove a green screen background in DaVinci Resolve 18? On my timeline, I have a green screen footage and background footage. Let's get straight into it. In the Edit tab, select your footage with the green screen. Head over to the Effects library. Click on Effects greater than Open Effects. Then click on Open FX. In the search bar, type 3D Keyer. Once you find the 3D Keyer, drag it over the green screen footage. Then click Inspector. Then click on the highlighted icon on your footage and choose Open FX Overlay. Now, on your screen preview, use your mouse to draw a line over the green screen element. Watch as it magically disappears. Simple, right? And that's it. Your green screen is removed. If you want to explore more quick effects in DaVinci Resolve, so visit my channel.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.